be talking about you bringing training products to your own internal markets. And how do you begin to consider doing that, and what are the decisions that you go through, and how do you turn all this training stuff into business stuff? All this is being done under a methodology that we call PACT, creating a bargain with your customer. And PACT stands for performance-based, because there's a performance model that drives all of this. We are anchored to performance. Nothing can be done in this process that you can't validate vis-a-vis some understanding, some articulation of performance, human performance within business processes. The A stands for accelerated. We're using teams. You don't have to use teams, but if you use teams, you'll accelerate your way through this process. We can do a curriculum architecture design for a client in less than 10 days if they don't have to have it all word processed and pretty from one phase to the next. So it can be a very accelerated process. C stands for customer-driven. We engage the customer. We turn over the keys to the project to them. They own it. One of our sayings is that we own the process, they own the content. And together, if we collaborate, we'll produce great training. They can probably produce better training by themselves than without us, than we can by ourselves. So how do we engage the customer where the subject matter expertise, where the understanding of the business processes truly lies? How do we marry our understanding of training, instructional technology, etc., to that? And the T stands for training, which narrows it too narrow for some people. We're all interested in the learning organization and learning events and training I'm using in a very, very, very broad sense. It includes job assignments, structured OJT, unstructured OJT if we wish to leave it as it might already exist.